Are you tired of just searching for hours of what video to create on YouTube? Which video is gonna attract your audience? Well, forget about working long hours searching for the right topic. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that in literally less than 5 minutes using vidIQ. Let's go. Here I'm on my vidIQ portal and my YouTube channel is connected to my account. So you have a free version that you can literally start and try using right now. I'll leave the link below if you don't know anything about vidIQ. And now I'm going to show you exactly how you can find perfect videos for your audience. So you're going to go to research here. And what you want to research is the outliers. What is an outlier? An outlier is a smaller channel or like videos that are picking up a lot of views and the channel might not be huge. I'll show you exactly what I mean. So when you go to outlier, you can go to the filter and pick, okay, this is what you need to change. You need to pick the number of subscribers on average that matches your channel. So for me, my channel is not over 4,000. So I'm going to go to 3,100 max. So I want a channel that has 3,000 subscribers. The views, I don't mind. The outlier score, I don't mind. Views per hour, the more the better, literally. The video length, you can change that. It's not very important, but I'm gonna put it to 30 minutes because my videos is not they're not very long. And for the publishing date, do not put all time, just put last 3 months or last 6 months. But I would say 3 months, so that's like more accurate to today's general topic and whatever is going on today. You don't want something that's not relevant anymore, and then you will apply. And when you do that, you will find channels that are the exact same size as mine and the videos that are very popular. So, what you can do as well is let's say you want to search a specific topic. I'm going to put YouTube. YouTube. It's I'm doing videos about YouTube, so I want to search about YouTube. And here's what we can find. So these are the videos that I could potentially um, emulate or recreate my own way, right? You can search for, I mean, that's not really what I want, but let's say I should be more specific. But this one, for example, would be great. You get 63 views per hour. It's growing really fast. It's been posted 16 days ago. The channel here has only 975 subscribers. So 23,000 views for a channel that has only 975 subscribers is actually great. So you can open this. So you can open it in YouTube and look at it. You can, if you want, recreate the same type of thumbnail because you know that is working. So here's, I'm just gonna, oops, I'm just gonna stop this. But it's a video that's only 8 minutes. You can see 975 subscribers. That's its description. And here you go. 12 days ago, 5 days ago, is getting even comments that are not very long, that were not posted long ago. So this is great. You can check as well what I would check. So you can check let me see if I can find it here actually. I wanted to check if there was any keywords here to copy, but I can't see any, so it doesn't matter. It's fine. Let's forget about that, unless it's here. No, it's not here. Okay. Okay, perfect. Anyways, this is all I wanted to show you anyways. So you can go here, search. So let's say I want to YouTube growth. That's more specific to what I want to do. And again, it's going to give me YouTube paid my rent. This channel has 2,800 subscribers, 10,000 views posted 12 days ago. That's not so good, this one. I mean, it is great. It is great. But you want something with like this 10x, 100x, 93x. That's what you want. So this one is really good. Let's say your niche is into carnivore. I don't know why I always pick that topic, carnivore diet, because it's such an interesting and controversial topic. And here you have a lot of videos that are actually doing great, right? What happens if you only eat meat? Science of carnivore. Bam! This channel has 2,500 subscribers. You can see everything here. 14,000 views, and it's been posted 12 days ago. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So you can literally just replicate the thumbnail, do something a little similar. You can see that's AI. And here you have ideas, without searching for hours on your own. Because, yes, you can do that going on YouTube, like on your own, and look for, the videos that have the same type of subscribers of yours, and the ones with a lot of views, but it's going to take time. Right here you can filter what you want, so it's great. You can do that with shorts as well. So same principle. It's just going to filter the shorts and thumbnails, which I have never tried to search the thumbnails, but you can do that too. So that's a great way to look for ideas without spending too much time. Here, well, that's not really the topic, but here we want to know about carnivore here in this example. So that's what I'm talking about. vidIQ is super useful for creating videos. You should definitely take advantage of this because what you want is definitely outliers. Those are the videos that are growing even though the channel is not big, or like for it could be like for a bigger channel too, but you can search for the videos that are literally going viral. So let's say we're looking for 10 millions and more subscribers, and we want to search for make money online. That's a very popular topic. And here, when we search, there you go, it's going to give you the latest videos that are really going viral. And that's what you want to recreate. So you do it your own way. You pick your example, but you definitely can you can do similar thumbnails. And as long as you are creating the video, you will be unique, and it's all going to be good. It's not like you're copying someone, right? You're creating it, you're putting your own twist on the video. It's you showing on the video, or you're putting your own edit on your own video. That's what's gonna work. So yeah, try it out. If you haven't tried out yet, I encourage you to do it. If you're new to YouTube, let's do that. Make it simple. We're not here to make things complicated. We have tools nowadays that are making it easier. So, this is why it is the best time to start a YouTube channel. We have everything to make it easy. So, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to share it with someone who needs this, and give me a thumb up and leave me a comment whether you liked it or not. If you didn't like it, tell me what was wrong in that video. If you did enjoy it and found it useful, give me a thumb up. I'll be super happy. Thanks, guys. Bye.